on a video, and we are going to stream live. Now we are here to do the needful. So this live stream is not going to take take us much time, because you're going to join me here. And for some of you that would like to call, you have the opportunity to do so. Some of you that would like to, just listen, no problem. Please, I have received some comments from some of you saying that you don't want to hear anything about why he's Socha in France. Okay? And some of you actually said, no, distance yourself from all those things. Don't start talking about, way forward and all that. It sounds good. But then when you go past Novo Nabaruzo or no Manchi. Remember, I started without looking at all the characters and manners of people. I know the tendency of, I know there's the potential of some similar, this kind of attack. I know that some people will like to raise their voice on me. I know that some people may not even like what I'm saying. And I'm not here to tell you that you should love me and like me. I said it before anything, that my concerns is that people who will like me or follow me outnumber those that will hate me. There's nothing you can do in this life for everybody to love you. It's not possible. Are you getting my point? It's not possible. I am not here to convince you to do what you don't want to do. Neither am I here to create problem between me and anybody. If you hate truth, in fact, there's no way you will like this platform. The question is everything I'm saying here, is it what I actually want? Like, those things that I know that is truth, is that what I want for my own self, for my benefit? The answer is no. I have multiple choice. But for the sake of our people and our land, we need to get things right. So I want to start by telling you, some of you that have advised me that you don't want to hear voice of why is Socha, irritates you and all that, please, you may not join us. Okay? You can check out. But if you want to have some knowledge and some facts about her, not about her personal life, we are going to analyze what she said, her past utterances and the recent one. I'm not here to reply what she said about me on her platform. That era is gone, done and dusted. You have right to talk about me on your platform. I have right to talk about you on my platform. Someone actually called my attention and said, Kai, this woman is that she's trying to blackmail people, you included, that some men, when a man is fighting a woman, that, you understand? So, meaning that she wants to see herself as a woman, and when she says something, don't reply, don't talk to her, because she's a woman. Oh, I thought she said she has thick skin, that no matter what people say, it's not going to get to her. Now, I don't consider her as a woman. She told us that she's a Koba. So I see her as Eke. That is what it is. So, and personally, I'm not a fan of reptiles at all, physically and spiritually. I'm not a fan of reptiles. And any serpentine spirit in human form should be treated like serpents. Her utterances, her actions, everything, have proven that to be right. Now, I think it is time for me to beg you and encourage you to like this video, share it if you can, and do as much as you can to support us. Are we going to focus on her alone? The answer is no. We have to share ideas together. That is why we are streaming live. I would have recorded this video and just send it out there, but I decided to come live so that maybe you have chance, maybe you have something to say, maybe you want to call, maybe you want to say something based on what we are going to discuss. We are going to start from where we stop on her broadcast, her first broadcast or first video after Finland convention, when she traveled back to her base in France. Some of you may say, why don't you just, why must you, what is it, of what important is it for you to keep on discussing about her? What value does this kind of stream offer to freedom of Biafra? Why are you focusing on her? Why must you channel your energy on her? These questions, I know that many of you are nursing that in your mind. You also need to understand that sometimes in life, you don't just talk about your sickness or about the symptom of the sickness. You need to know where you get where you contact the virus that lead to the sickness. Where did you go that somehow contaminated your system that lead to sickness? You need to check all those things so that you be careful when next you are going to that place. She says something that I want us to focus on, and I wanted to use that statement as title of this video. Okay? I wanted to use that utterances, one of her statements, as title of the video. But on the second thought, I don't want people to see the video and say, oh, you're just here for her. I'm not here for her. We are also going to learn from her flop. One of the reasons we are talking about her is not for her to repent. She's irredeemable. No matter what you do, she's just like a condemned iron. You have to destroy the iron more to reform it to become useful. I'm not saying you should buy her or go after her life. I'm just giving you a scenario, right? You understand? She made some utterances that when you hear that, if you pay attention, she always talk with fast speed, and she adds some energy, and that makes it possible for people not to digest or read through her utterances. When you pay attention to what she's saying, you know that all of us actually made a mistake about her. When she was talking about Ogenkere and this fallback republic, she was saying something that if you pay attention now, you'll be like, are you serious? I'm not going to tell you what I'm not sure of. The video is here with me. Just one. And we have so many of them. If I want to devote energy to talk about Waisocha in France, to dedicate this platform for her, honestly, we may spend 6 months, if not 1 year, to digest. One of her broadcasts has, series of, segments. A lot of issues are to be discussed there, but we don't need that. My main purpose here is for you listening and following Biafran issue or Biafran, movement. For you to know that the tendency of having another person like her is high. Because if not that what's happened now happened, nobody would have believed that you have some rotten eggs in this woman moving around as a human being. Why did I say that she's not a woman? I don't see her as a woman. One, there are criteria. There are some things you need to possess as a woman. She don't have it. That you can, sleep with a man and get pregnant doesn't really. That's not the only thing that makes you a woman. After all, technology has made it possible for you. Even a random person can carry your baby and deliver. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm not a gynecologist, but what I'm trying to tell you is that having a baby, it doesn't make you that you are truly a mother. The characters that you have in you to impact on a child is more important than just for 9 months and that is not the issue. Other things count. What do you know to impact on your child? I don't know if you have a baby girl. I don't even get to know. the course, because your channel is center of courses. Yours is on live stream. All you can hear is courses. Guess what? Those people who don't even think for themselves, following no Genkere, they are now using her as a kind of center of conversation, sharing videos and celebrating. Look at the hunter that we talked about last time. The the one that claimed that faking accent. You know who I'm talking about. Chigose. I'm not here for Chigose today, but I told him, don't think that everything is already, that we are sleeping. No. Anytime I wake up and remember you, I will come back again to revisit that your video. You know, I told those when I started that I hate problem. I don't like to. But you see, maybe the way I'm talking, maybe you think that my voice is so calm. I'm not talking like a big voice, like Nketa. No, that does not mean that Namba no radio. I'm not a violent person, but don't expect me to be in your armpit. It's not done. This platform was not registered by you. I'm the one that registered it. And it is free. If you want to open your own, it is free. I'm the only person in all the platform talking about freedom or about the well-being of our people that have come publicly and made it known that anybody who wants to start broadcasting or start your own video platform and all that, if you contact me, I will help you to do that. No other person have done that publicly, freely, without telling you, because I remember what I passed through. Why I'm saying touching all those things, for you to know how somebody presents himself, or the way you write on issue, or the way you talk, how you make decisions matters a lot. That is who you are. I'm somebody that is very, very free in my mind and even in spirit. But don't take it for granted. Don't expect me to lay my hand and they'll chop me off and all that. For you to say, oh, Kai, you're a very nice man and gentleman. This issue of gentility is not even, I'm not here for you to see, oh, you're a gentleman. No, I'm not. I am very, very respectful human being. Very, very respectful. But don't take it for granted. If you do, then I will tell you that even it's not like that. So please like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I'm not expecting a huge number of people to watch this video. But if you want to watch, you watch. Why? It's not because of anything. Because I've seen many of you try to encourage me not to talk about anything. So maybe when you see the title of the video, or you see the character of the video, the thumbnail of the video, or maybe you watch 2 minutes and you run away. I understand. But I have to do what I have to do to let people know the serpentine spirit moving around in different freedom, deceiving people and lying to people, possessing people. This is the kind of woman, she's not even supposed to be close to anybody's child. Why? Because she possessed the person. This woman needs church deliverance. Community one, not even single pastor. I mean, the deliverance that even her village will come out and give support for pastors and churches to deliver her. Ministers of God need to lay hands on her to free her from the captivity. She has turned herself to be the temple of, evil, dishing out lies, propaganda, and volunteer herself for, evil advertisement, just advertise evil. I would like to go back to the platform like I told you, where she made some utterances that we are going to listen. Okay, we are going to follow that very, very, very well. But before then, I think I have to welcome some of you, if not all of you, that are here for the broadcast. And like I said, this broadcast may be different from the one we will normally do, because somehow we may be brutal. Okay, we may be brutal. Brutal in the sense that we are going to tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth. I'm not here to massage words. Okay, because I have noticed that many of you, as people are like, you want to hear, you don't want to, when somebody is very, very calm and very, very free, you want to show your garagara. Calling people names, immediately you will drag my family to your madness. That means The time to cure you is here. That's not the fact. The time to cure you is here, and I have no choice than to do that freely. I'm not here for anything other than that. Okay. Now, just a moment. I'm trying to get the video up before reading your comments, so that immediately after reading your comments, we hit the ground running. Just a moment. Just a moment. The video is somehow delaying. Maybe let me try with the phone. If that is the case, let me try with the phone. Maybe the phone will help me to do it faster. If you are just joining us, like the video. Very, very important that you do so. Like the video, like the video, like the video. Okay. Here we go. Now, let's go to the comment section. I want to welcome all of you that have joined us so far. And I may not read the comment, just bear with me. Benjamin, I see you. You are the first person that made a comment. And Olivia is here. Anthony Umeje, our brother, one of us. Woke Zike is here, of course. And we are Biafran, Somos Biafra. I don't know what the word means, right? Somos. And Chihoroke, our brother, is here. Happiness, you are new to me. Abarosi, I hope I pronounced your name well. Ezugo Paul, and who again? Seth, our brother. Watch it. I see you. And who again? Esther is here. Women of Africa to the world. I see your comment. Bishop Onaga is here. Onaga, Bishop Onaga. You know, I asked this question last time. Emmy Chike, I see you. So these are people, okay, who again? Chief West is here. These are the people that made a comment so far. And we have, at the moment, we have almost 60 something watching. Okay. Now, let's go. Listen to this. Pay very close attention. Like I said, we're going to start from where we stopped last time. As we move, we pause. All I want from you is your ear. To understand every line of words, every line, everything she said. Pay close attention. Okay? It will help you. Not for her to change. Don't get it twisted. I am not here to change her. No. I am not here to tell her how to live her life. Not at all. In fact, it's not even about her. It's about you. Listening and following her, thinking that human being is talking. She called me impoto. She called me names. What that means is weakness. Somebody who is weak. Somebody who is not man enough, or you can't do anything. You are just vulnerable for any venom that she's circulating. She spread venom, and she knows that as a python, as a snake. She claims that she is. But I've told her that I am a jere, such an ant that snake can't withstand. You should be mindful of those, prey that you are eating. I'm not one of you. I can never be one. There's no way, there's no two ways about it. She's in her platform where she called me names, input, sign of like weakness, and somebody who is not strong enough, or not, you are not even in the level. At the same time, in that video, she also called that I may be one of special force member. That I may be, according to her, that I am one of the special force member. That is, special force, right? So somebody who is weak is also an arm carrier. That is the level of her madness. And we are here for, to diagnose her. Diagnose her, not for her to change, like I always say, but you, now get people at your platform, after, you are the fuel that drive her strength. As you are going to her platform, you are actually in support of her. By virtue of you trying to peep to know what is going on there, you are somehow following that. Now let us hear from her.
See the kind of happiness done on a village, done on a homeland.
No, let me tell you. Let's start from here. Just a moment. Let's start from here because I want you to hear what she said. Maybe that may refresh your memory to connect from where we stopped last time. Please, we have almost 58 watching, and only 25 people have liked the video. What are you waiting for? Hit the like button or less if you are here as a spy, like many of you have proven to. So you just like the video. If you don't know how to like the video, please go to the three dots at top corner of your right hand side on your screen, tap it, and you see the option, okay, that will enable you to like the video. You liking it is a way of supporting us and making sure that the video gets to many people to understand, to learn, for them not to be a victim. Like I said, we all actually made a mistake because then when she was attacking Ogenkere, there are some things that she said that should have been a very big eye-opener to all of us. But guess what? We ignored that part, probably because people were happy because she was saying something against those who perceive to be from the other side. But nevertheless, it is not too late. We are here. I'm coming to a comment again to send my greetings to you, but let's just go through this together, okay? No, that's something I want her to say. She started by telling us that now that she come back from Finland after the confession and everything, that this is the time that she want to, that this is the right time, that all this while she was hanging around, around PM, that she have not done anything, that it is now that she want to do, show you the reason why she joined the freedom. And I'm going to locate that part. Okay?
Am I your in? Am I? Yes. Mandine boom, mandine malo, and I tuni the way. Every my social media rubbish. Can I say, Jali? I will open your nyash today, and today will be your rest today. After the social media came, talk rubbish. Enough is enough. Let me tell you something. Even on one will end. There are not a media thing that you can buy off. You don't even have money. What is your job?
She's addressing Ogenkere. There, pay attention.
What is your job? How much do you make? Do you think we live with a fake life? I don't live with a fake life. I don't even care who you are. I don't care how much you get. You get nothing. Anybody will let they make noise. A rich man don't make noise. Do they make noise one day one can need ye? On where can I see where to go? If you dislike for not Biafra, who only will keep on your more than the banana. Anybody know that this is strong? I'm only out because of
now. Listen to her. You have listened to her then, right? Now, here the woman, now, after falling back, here she told you that, okay, Kere, then she turned 360 and she started saying this. Just a moment. Let me increase the volume. Okay, now listen.
Jingle get by Kelly. No jingle it is not their life. Now I am go jingle Kelly. Can I go the first jingle? Money is not my problem. I'm okay with what I have. I'm here in the state. I have properties that worth millions.
Did you hear that? He's not Ogaraya. But hear her before. Listen again.
This is our time. This is our time. We are going to do it for ourselves. Any rubbish showing up, we're going to crush them. More when are going on. Push her inside the bush. Any rubbish showing on your supernatural. Put on this is social media again. So then I call rubbish like this on a diamond guitar. I will see you like this. Move on forward. Defend our land. This time declare go Biafra. Now I need a person to do the one rubbish set the nonsense. That was my social media rubbish. Can I say, Jali? I will open your nyash today, and today will be your last today. Jingle get by Kelly. No jingle it is not their life. Now I am go jingle Kelly. Can I go the first jingle? Money is not my problem. I'm okay with what I have. I'm here in the state. I have properties that worth millions. Back in Biafra land, I have stuff that worth billions. I'm not broke. I'm okay with what I have. I'm already made less human being. Leave me alone. Leave him alone. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is the woman now. After saying what I just played for you now. Now, you taking her serious. Don't you think that you are the one that need to check your brain? This is not something that she said years ago. This is just interval of few weeks, couple of weeks. I get the point. Now, let us run with the previous one.
After the social media came, not rubbish. Enough is enough. Let me tell you something. Even one will end. You are not a media thing that you can buy off.
Asha,
you don't even have money.
Now, where is she? I'm not the media thing we can buy off. Only cooked audio. Just prank audio. Not even real prank. They tested it on her. Why don't they use the same tactic that PM contact this woman to contact another person? Because they know that among everybody, that she is the one that is from another planet. You understand? That tells you, that's the only thing. Let PM that they claim that contact this woman, contact that imaginary PM, contact, because that's not the real PM. PM did not contact her, not at all. Let that person, the number, contact another person. Not even a member from Ogenkere. Why must she be the only one? Among everybody, she's the only one. Is it because does she have bigger platform than other people? Answer is no. Who is she in the cabinet at one level? What can she offer? Nothing. What has she done? Committee losers. So PM, after looking at all Biafrans, official members and non-official members, the only person that PM felt that their PM will not be real PM want to contact is this woman. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, because of the level of her brain, it was very, very easy for them to pin her down with AI audio, which some of them are still claiming. The two individuals pushing that, telling you, use their platform to tell PM said. Even I believe that they also know two things are involved. Is either they are part and parcel of the AI, or they are so gullible to believe that. Because if not, the PM that contact them or contact her told her, don't attack people and fall back. She quickly fall back. Even though the door has been closed. That's to tell you that people who told her to fall back were waiting for her. They just want her to come out and remain stranded with some enchantment, voodoo incantation that they followed up. They did it and it worked very perfectly because she is not pure. That's a story for another day. Now, after telling Biafrans that PM called you, PM gave you two messages. One, fall back. Two, stop attacking each other. Don't call anybody's names. You started calling people names. You that they gave the message. You keep on pushing that. That's why I said that is the angle where I'm coming from. When I said that she could be, maybe she's aware of the AI that what she listens to is AI. Just go. Maybe they just preach to her or convince her, or maybe they have some secrets about her life. Maybe they flash it to her and say, look, we have this against you. If you mess up, we do this and that kind of threat. So this is still a mystery. But let us use our common sense. If she received message from PM and that message is to stop attacking people, has she stopped attacking people? No, she intensified the attack. That sounds like somebody actually told her to do what she's doing, say it because we have something against you. That is the only thing that can make anybody to do that kind of thing, which she's not doing. But if truly they told you to fall back and this message, stop attacking people, why increasing the attack? Because you are not attacking people now more, you are attacking people the more. When PM told you to stop, and when PM have not contacted you, you attack people now more than before. Are you getting my point? Meaning that somehow you are maybe this is a teamwork. But let us just go back to her video. The one I listen to now is her first broadcast after coming back from Finland. And I cannot just wait for you to hear all those things.
What is your job?
Now he's questioning Ogenkere, what is your job? Attacking Ogenkere, his financial, because I say her, because where I come from, men don't answer Oge. Only, you understand? So this woman is attacking Ogenkere here. Attacking his job. How your financial strength. You don't have anything. Listen to her. Then
what is your job?
How
much do you make? Do you think we live with fake life?
Okay.
I don't even
meaning that Ogenkere is all about fake life. According to her, then listen.
I don't live with fake life. I don't even care who you are.
Okay.
I don't care how much you get.
Okay.
You get nothing. Anybody will let make noise.
Okay.
A rich man don't make noise.
Okay.
Do not make noise one day man can't have any here. On when can I see where to Chego? If you did not for not Biafra, who only will keep on young
talking to Ogenkere, we keep more able from Biafra. Now, quite again.
Oh, what that depend on anybody know that this is strong, I'm only out because of Biafra.
Okay.
If not because of Biafra, who know you? Who know you?
Okay.
Ebeki Naba. Oh no, the man get on now, actually in the Bible is France. They just at their government house. And I make a key talk. They just have government house. Why is he go?
He is rubbishing Ogenkere presence in Washington DC. Why you having handshake, having like that? You are not able to be in that house if not for Biafra. Meaning that you are not the one helping Biafra. Biafra is helping you. That is exactly what she's saying here. Now we're getting.
Government house for many years, now I'm doing in France. Can't jump this nonsense question. Question going to some stupid people. That they make noise. Why? How many years? government house France. After come back inside the France struggle. A government house in France. That's the name of rubbish. Biafran made you. Nobody know you before. Even because of the Biafran struggle, who will know you? Rubbish. I will open your data today.
I am playing this for latecomers, so some of you that don't, maybe you did not watch this for this part. That is different between me and the hunter from Bomosho, Lagos. You are not in the same level. You don't have, one, you don't have that data. Two, you can't comprehend. You can't even add one plus one to make it two. You don't know it. You don't know it. Following PM because Nina if you is different than following PM logically. Let me tell you something. Today, this is different from what we are talking about. But for people who claim, oh, because you always say that. I'm not able to go to Munda. Oh, my chocolate quality, just me that. Now, no more chocolate quality. All those nonsense. We used to that. We know who she is. Do you understand? We know who she is. It's not a new thing. But some of you, some of us here, you can't connect. So comparing you with somebody who is able to connect is laughable. Are you getting my point? I'm not a genius. I'm not a smart person. I know my level. Just an average human being without anything. I'm not here to brag anything to you. But what I'm trying to say is that, do you have time to understand or to remember what she said? If you don't, that is why we are here for you. To recommend the knowledge so that you understand it better. So that you understand it better, because some of you, maybe because of your busy schedule, your work, maybe some of you, maybe your personal life, you are unable to connect it. We are here to help you. This broadcast was 4 months ago as of today. 4 months ago, the first broadcast that she made after coming back from Finland. Do you understand it? I know why I picked that one. Many of them are still in the cabinet. So, we know the rush. But why I don't do those things before? Because I don't want to. But since she thinks that she can run her mouth, God gave us mouth to do what? To talk. You can't. Your mouth is your mouth. My own is my own. If you want to go hard on me, my dear, I know how to buy that hardness. So I will come for you. If that is what you want, there's no problem. People, as na agwo mere for jibora agwo, umay woli afenko. You get why? We have to say it the way it is. And I tell you go on social media, because on social media people want to comport themselves and trying to be nice, because all of them are going to one tomorrow. But if you think that you can do it alone, you are this, blah blah blah, never that, never that. If no na all that jana can na dia jana iboke joko ani ibo kuzo ndi bonwe we can qualify. Your audio that I have also revealed to me the kind of sacrifice and voodoo you are practicing behind the camera. Because the other way you are calling the friend to begin to bring pictures of Jerry, pictures of okay, now your mom, now you messes. Hi, do you understand? A mother telling the whole world how to. What is the effect? What will be the effect of that kind of voodoo practice that you are encouraging people to start doing on Ogenkere and Van and even though Van love to do the same thing on people. But for you as a mother, as a woman, if you say your mother, I'm not sure, because I have not seen this kind of mother in my life. You telling people to do that kind of practice, explain who you really are. Do you understand it? And you shouldn't just be proud of who you are. Oh, if I happy if it's an animal. No, yeah, to Sawaji, but you could if you look at now, yeah, you have my life to live, as if you own other people's life to live. Now, after attacking Ogenkere finance, you said this. I know why I'm repeating this. I automatically turned to servant of Ogenkere and hype man. after criticizing his sort of income and his status. Nobody for person. No go no has before. No gazi. No Biafra media. Oh now you are telling us to for oh now here when jingle. After saying all those things, you turn around to begin to be jingle career. Like you are more bearer of Ogenkere and the Ogenkere jingle, hyping him up for free. You don't think that people will connect this thing, this is your character? You don't think, like I said, this is not for her, but for you listening to digest it to know that when each time she attack anybody, it doesn't hold anything. It doesn't carry any water. She said here in this particular video that it is now. Listen.
They will know that they are honorable. And they will do something for this honorable. If you don't merit honorable, don't give yourself the name that you don't merit. So this honorable, because we know them. Honorable from where? For where?
If you want your brain cells to be contaminated, the easiest way to do it is go to her platform. Spend a few days there, you will never remain the same. Unless you are a very, very strong person. Then, because it's not that what she's saying is having an impact on you. But Ajana Tuna Mon, even if as a covenant, if only could another there do too much, you may not understand it. For her to tell you how to do sacrifice on people's picture, the energy that she was using while saying that will tell you truly what this woman can do behind the camera. And
this is the time. With the confusion. What would that or what this is rubbish people on well do your back on call them. This is the time have reached. The Africans believe all of them. My people the intelligent. I love them so much. I love them. Let us go out and talk. Let Biafra judge. Now we are in the court of Biafra, and they are going to judge it very well. Let us go there.
Everyone that participated in the program and all the delegates. So whether you come up to the podium to speak or not, you participated. Being there alone means a lot. God will send a strong message to the
POS. Stupid.
Please, there's something I'm looking for. I have to take it back. There's something I'm looking for. And once I play that part, then we move forward to another place.
Hey, ekene mmoni ni boji debu bekene na mibo. Wekene ndimbu na ndege de wekene ndi ichie benna. Ana mekene unu nine mmoni ni boji debu bekene mu. Hey, wekene mo Finland nine ekene mono. Hey, wekene ndimbu na ndege.
How many A for somebody that have ulterior motive? A reboot two statements, yeah. He tell again about name something. Just say what you want you to say, then move on.
Finland, ekene mvanchanine. Hey, wene kenezi, wene kenejuku okikabiam. Sonza wonye mbilo na nyenjere. Sonza wakane ukuru sonza neme. Hey, wekene mwenu kene mwa. Luwela ini nisi. I fenye fetune we hunsobu. Ana meke. Adande manandege da batago. Azumono kanje cha Finland.
Now pay attention here. Let's see. Just pay close attention, my people. Now just here.
I don't could be found for here. Now here's Nigel in Finland and not Chinatown within the moon. So where the hall. Where she has in our flats. Ono ya non ketoro biati. Now, this is the time. Adande banande gereji we batana struggle.
Did you hear that? That everything yana message Yabatana struggle. That's what the PM. All these things that she was saying, all those shots. Not time kind of waste. That she was wasting time. That it is now that PM is not here. That the reason why she joined start. We are our own. We are not working. Get it. Listen.
This is the time the struggle begin. This is the time. Even the way that this is struggle. Even the way that struggle. This is down. I don't look.
So she was pretending all this while, waiting for the time that PM will disappear. Then she will land and bring that thing that made her to join the struggle. This is somebody constantly calling people Sabo. Constantly calling people Sabo, Fulani, Sabo. Look at her. Am I the one that said this? I dare anybody that way, because they will go to her platform and start laying course. That course will hit you and your lineage. You know why? I did not force her to say it. She said it. Is this my voice? Did you hear me saying something like that? Let me take it back again. For some of you in the free lawyer without any chamber. When before you judge, play it very well. Play it very, very well. Then before you come out to judge. Listen.
Hey, ekene money ni boji de bekene na mi Igbo. Wekene ndị mbụ na ndị egede wekene ndị ichie benna. Warning. Up kene mwa. Luwela ini n'isi aifenye feture enwe nsogbu. Ana m ekene. Ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede abatago. Azụmụnụ ka njecha Finland. I even could be found for here. Now here's Nigeria in Finland and not Chinatown within the moon. It's a word the hall. Where she has in our flats.
Just a moment. Let's give her advert. Let's give her advert.
Ono ya no nketoro biati. Now, this is the time.
Did you hear that? Once we got Finland, Gambia say Batahana. That thing made you but struggle. And all this one, she was just playing. She was just deceiving PM and all battle. Now she that's if it all that. Kita can go over there. If it all that, I'm among the new PM. If it all that. And I'm going to go to Biafra before now. Until PM have problem. Then if you talk that to reporter. I don't know if you are connecting what if you are listening, if you are following what I'm saying. No, kita I give with if I go to give you talk that. Na kwe gente.
You need men are since but I'm struggle with time can they waste.
No time can they waste.
This is the time. The struggle begin. This is the time. Even the way that this is struggle, even you get the way and struggle, this is down time that kind of I don't look first.
Now, after 4 months of that making this comment, we are now seeing that in Chineke will struggle. One, penetrate men on ground and start being in contact with them constantly, and putting some utterances that is going to change their mindset, helping them or deceiving them to choose side, to take side. Pretending to work with USB while advancing her strength with Ogenkere. Calling Ogenkere names to make you feel that Ogenkere is a problem and deceiving you. Do you understand what all these things that she have done so far? That Chineke, because this is not really God, put you in the struggle and start attacking people's life, attacking their family, attacking their way of life. And everything. She told us before that Ohane Zendibo contacted her, trying to contract her to work with Lizzie Carlo. Did I hear Papa? To team up, to broadcast like Lizzie, that she declined. Now the question is she not acting as if she's working with for politicians? Why do I say so? What have you offered in Biafra or in our freedom? Nothing. Instead, problem, constantly, and attacking anybody that has something to offer. Are you getting my point? She's the one saying it to Armstrong, I see you. In fact, let me go to comment because I see many people. Let me just go to comment before I continue. Just bear with me. I cannot. Okay, where did I stop before? Oh, I thought I made a comment even before now. Okay. Gift, okay, I see you. And who again? Women of Africa to the world, I see you. I think I've mentioned your name before. Armstrong is say good morning, Kai. Good morning to you, my brother. Hey, good John, I see you. Biafra is my home TV. My brother is here with us today. Nice to have you, my brother. Okay, I think I called your name before. Kevin is here. Gift, okay, again. And Kevin is here. Who again? Frank Ibe, I see you. PM, we do my PM. Okay, PM said, well done, my brother. Great one. Keep on. Thank you, PM. I see you. And Divine T said that one my dear, nice to have you. Thank you for that. And Jemima is here. I see you. And Henry is here with us. Esther, who again? Chidom, that Arowodo. I said that woman is so idiotic and senseless. Thank God you noticed. Chi baby is here. Chi baby, how are you? And Juliana Obi is here. Dr. Benjamin, I see you. And who again? Benson, I see you. Victoria, I see you. Kevin again, and Mazi okay. Mazo Konko Biafra TV. My brother, longest time. What to go and have for break like the all one cake him. Fabio is here, and who again? Warrior Oster. I see you, Oster. Okay, that is the people that Martin is here. Okay, so let's continue. If I don't mention your name, please just bear with me. This is one the few I can manage to receive here, receive from my device here. So let's continue.
I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. I demand to good men as I don't zamachi watching. Don't zama, Bruno Chunina Biaketale, all the useless DOS, stupid the zoo Nigeria, stupid the saboteurs, we don't care.
When you hear we, that is why some people, after calling men of Biafra Division Army names, tagging somebody like a well-known Biafra Division Army Commander Holy Ghost, calling him after saying that, because each time she want to make, she say we, that we, people who don't know may think, oh, that God already sent her to go and say that. Do you understand that? When Gentle said that they're calling men on ground, they're not going to people are calling men on are calling the organization, I mean name. Do you know I don't blame him? This woman made it possible then that she will say all this nonsense and say we. And the way she's talking about CS and about USB, you would think that she carry everything on her head. In fact, she just come out from executive meeting, board meeting where they discuss and tell her, okay, Ada, go and read this in out and tell them that this is our agreement. Go there and say it. When she come out, she will start reading it and saying something that people may think, oh, COS send her to go and say it. Of course, as a leader, people may mistake her and start calling that she called men on grand names. After calling this one, I'm not saying that because when anything I'm saying here, I always make sure that is what I know. If somebody told me, I will tell you that I was told allegedly that this is what people are saying about this particular issue or this particular person. she made it open, and I want you people to confirm this on comment, or maybe when I open the line, you can call and say, Mazi or Kai report, this thing is not what she said. She said that the one I hear, the one I listen to, is Holy Ghost and Sonak Barawa. She picked these two people. Even as much as I don't agree with what Sonak Barawa is doing, I don't have any evidence or any right to start telling that Sonak Barawa is not Tom than I mean. But can she say that? No. She said it with one other individual that all of you actually guys know. But today, they are the one using their platform also, championing the same line that because of the person, who insulted those I mean, using their platform. Are you guys not the one? This is how they roll. And it is time to call a spade a spade. The way what you said before, I will be reminding you those things. Normally, I ignore it and talk about just random audio playing about. If I dedicating my time to play your video like this, we help the friend to know truly that you are just like a opaka, making sound without any value, without anything tangible to go home with. Imagine people look at somebody who is. Can this woman normally, do you see her as someone who's supposed to be in a WhatsApp group where freedom are being discussed, let alone leading or championing anything or taking her word for anything serious? Not at all. People who is neither there or there. If PM come out with this kind of character and somehow suspend her or banish her, she will quickly contact Ohaneze and politicians and come out and start telling you that when I was with this little idiot, that one called himself as Saman Epa. That is this, is that she will start saying all manner of things. That's, you see, the madness you get at that point. She may start crying for pity, but we get here. The mistake you made is fighting everybody, especially those that have nothing to. They have not even scratched you. Or genuine people. You are the first to Lagos. You are the first to revoke God of our land. You are the first to claim that you are Wajan and why everything. What do you know about Ordinary? Can you actually obey rules and regulations that guide the land, even if a day? Controlling your tongues is a problem. Very huge problem for you. And that is why anybody that managed to buy a Greek egg and smash it calling your name, it will hit you like never before. Because you are just so loose. So loose. You are talking to everybody. Like me, what did I do to you? Nothing. You choose to, because you can, you just sit down in your dirty pillow and remember somebody's name and you cook up a story, imaginary statement, which I prefer to call flight imagination. You just film from your mind to your brain. Next thing, your mouth will be moving and pronouncing what you can't even justify. Hear this woman again.
Our leader Mazen now the council that now we don't cure cancer. We cut it off. All that in respect to yourself. Zulu will go put on social media. I don't to expose and disgrace you. Yeah,
and you are running your mouth with doing, if you are even worse than people that are pointing. Is it Sana Barawa is better than you? Okay, it is far better than you. This, in as much as I don't agree with what they're saying, they are 100. Comparing you with them is an insult to them, which I don't want to go there. Comparing you with Sana Barawa, Vam, somehow both of you are related, because any man, voodoo people, I don't take you. There's nothing I will do with you. You always, not that you are doing voodoo for your progress or your business, but bring other people down, call people for head. That you are worst agent of Lucifer. I can't take you serious. So you and Vam, somehow, to me, you are in the same category. People that can go and buy egg and start calling bottles, instead of to go and walk, go and look for something good to do. You want to maneuver everybody, maneuver people's life, control spirit, invoke and casting spell on people's life, and you want to progress. You also want good thing, isn't it? Information, if I'm not just hand. He got pipe low, whether you like it or not, to understand the way things supposed to be. Everybody must not go to the pit like with you. If you want to jump into pit, jump alone and swim. After all, you have siblings or children. Drag them with you. But dragging everybody, that one is no. So if you keep on all this nonsense that you're doing, thinking that you know how to talk, you rant. Shouting does not make you sensible. How big your voice is has something to do with the quality and level of your reasoning. There are two different things. You may shout. That's why when you see that girl, the others are like people. What do? They will keep on shouting, hitting balls, blah, 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 shouting. When you calm down and give them what they want. If you can answer, sorry. And I hear three people. But if you think because the way they're shouting, that they can stand, they can maintain that thing, they can't. They won't at all. Just a moment, let me hear from this brother. Just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. I have to answer this call. It's very, very important for me. I muted it because it's not for public. I muted it. Okay, let's continue.
This is me. I don't care. All these saboteurs, no matter who knows what.
So I'm gonna jump what is going on about here. Let's just go to another part where she actually says something that was sharing. Okay, Divine, I see Divine Precious and Kevin, John. This is the people that I can see now. Okay, please make sure she is a mad dog. That's from Mars. Mad dog, God bless you. And Triple M, wow, Triple M, you are here. Nelson Mark, I see you. And Chi Baby is here. Are you sure? Ada Ndi Ara have family. I was told that somebody said that she have 5 children from different father. I don't know if 5 father or 3 father or 2 father. I don't know. And I don't have any evidence to that. That's what somebody said, not me. I'm not accusing her of that. I'm just telling you what someone told me. Okay, let's continue.
There's a lot of and you men at this time.
Biafran Ezodo TV, I see you. I see you. Tony Wobodo, God bless you.
They believe that they have a problem, but there is no problem. Biafra, there is no problem. More when you are done them and there is no problem. Manabra, anybody don't know when I want to mother, and this is trouble your jacket will do it. Or one way that the person will come out alone.
Okay.
And the one that is now Jabba from Biafra will judge that person. Because when I did me information at Biafra, they are behind them, and I Biafra, they are Bakoya Kwasi.
Please, if you are just joining us, I want to like the video. In case you have not, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit like button so that others will get to watch the video. Very, very important. Touch the like button.
Biafra are calculating it. Biafra now for what is going on. Omolonye won't believe it. Omolonye police. Omolonye you call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade. Oh, more than 1 week. I need a kaji. How many thousands of Biafra in Biafran land? Now with the joy. This man put here rubbish. As a movie ankete. Must stop what I can do. I can never stop and those about talk. Talk one talk what I talk with you talk as a baton inside the Biafran government. The bank is soon. Or I just stop what in it. You know why my joy? My joy is the Biafra is very intact. And you know my joy, Biafran angel. Nobody can stop them. Nobody. Nobody. No matter confusion. As no fundraising on Saturday. Respect that order. And then inside the cabinet, when they put that order.
Negenti, this is her trying to explain to everyone the reason why fundraising was postponed, why it was suspended, not permanent, just for 1 week, for people to come back, to the base before any other thing. What did the Ogenkere camp do? They don't want it because they must lay hands on something to push their narrative. But we are not here for Ogenkere and their camp. That's not the fact. I'm here to tell you, for us to look deep on this woman who claimed that she knows everything, she's strong. Maybe she will deny the fact that I told us here that she told their friends on how to do some voodoo, some incantation using pictures. Listen to that. Just let us listen to that part.
Moving train. Ekene m no moving train niile ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede. Ụmụnne m oge ruo ne mgbe anyị nwewa ụmụ ndị Igbo ya ejisi aka ike were ofu obi. Ụmụnne m oge lugo mgbe anyị nwewa ụmụ ndị Igbo eji ofu obi were na-aga. Oge ruo ne mgbe anyị agbakọta onye ọnwụ na wụsabo ndụ fake agitation gbakọtaba azụ. Ihe a na-eme kịta nwanyị maọbụ ndị Igbo ya abịakọta ọnụ kwuo okwu were ofu ọnụ were na-aga. Agitation anyị nwawa ụmụ ndị Igbo ya emele ya onwe anyị. Agitation anyị nwa ndị ya emele ya onwe anyị. Ọkwa nwaanyị nwawa ụmụ Igbo na-anwụ. Ndị besani akpalawa anawa anwụ. Onwe ibe na-eme ndị besani akpalawa. So ne akpalawa nabatakwala ọbata obie. Ha mere ya n'open place so. Ha mere ya n'open place. Gada ndị mmadụ ijuba chichara ma mmọnwụ. Ana m eche ka chi wuo na ndị polisi ya ebe besani akpalawa kpụkọba n'otu. Onwe onye polisi kpụrụ, onwe onye polisi tiri ibe. Jenu nene video mbọsịsa na akpalawa nabatala ọbata.
And Kenny, you should know that this is live stream. I see your message. You keep on asking the same question. Is this live stream? It is live stream. This is live. Okay?
Lawa nabatala ọbata obie. Mbosi ahụ mbosi ikpeazụ. I fudewala ọbata obie. Jenu nene body movement oge kele na asanya akpalawa daite. Jenu nene condition ọbata obie na daite. Unu ya ama na o nwere ibe na-emenu. Jenu nene nya. Jenu nene body movement oge nkele na asanya akpalawa. Unu ya abụ that na o nwere ibe mere daite. Nene na ọbata obi ya na uncomfortable. Sonya akpalawa na ọbata na sonya akpalawa na oge nkele na-achị. Na-enwere onwe aṅụrị. Ọbata obi na-ejebiga ibe mgbu. Adị ha mgbe ibe ọbata obi na-ejebiga. Sonya akpalawa ma ibe ya eme mbọsị ahụ were tinye deeti m na mbọsị ahụ ka ya anabata ọbata obi. Olu mbọsị ahụ ọbata obi na ibe na-eme. Jenu nene that video ọfụma. Jenu nene video oge nkele na Sonya akpalawa. Jenu nene nya nene ya ọfụma. Jenu furu ibe mere that place. After even that in the metro, can Sonya akpalawa. Bebe can the police jebe the mother arrest. Obo musu the mother kasi abo ndu bai. Onye akporo, onye akporo, onye alas. And the man believe I don't know na be load na agbari na agbo Simon ekpa. Police akporo mmonu, onye police kporo. Mana nwoke onye adi m egwu. Nabatala ọbata obi gbara mkpọnana. Olulu following day the police jebie. The police na patrol la ebe niile. Bana Sonya akpalawa mere nke n'open place so iwu onye ọnwụ napụtara. Onwebe onye nabatara ọbata obi one Sonya akpalawa si nabata ọbata obi police eje. Unu wee ma na alenji. Ma na Sonya akpalawa na Nigerian government na-eji arụ ọrụ ya n'oge nkele na vam. But even now, when you want to onye Igbo nwoke Igbo nwaanyị Igbo achọ m nkwuchi okwu a were nụ voice m atụ saa na platform niile onye ọbụla nọ na ma nwoke Igbo nwaanyị Igbo jenu were picture vam were nụ picture oge nkele were nụ picture Sani Akparawa ụmụ nwaanyị unu nọ na menstruation unu were nụ picture vam dobe ihe na-anyụsị ya mamịrị menstruation sụọ na ya ọfọ ụmụ nwoke niile onye ọbụla binye nwoke Igbo niile nwe aka ji ọfọ nwoke Igbo niile nwe aka ji ọfọ onye ọbụla chinyere aja na enu wee na-asụrụ fọfọ ọbara na-akwafu na Biafra land ibe ndị anyị nzu na-eme na Biafra land ibe niile a na-eme ụmụ Igbo ebe niile ụmụ Igbo ebine sụọra n'oge nkele na Sani Akparawa ọfọ ya na vam kava ncha niile ha undu si na undu tinyere aka ịkwasasị ife ọbata obi na-eme ka a nwara undu tinyere aka blackmail nyaw wee na-agba ọbata obi mgba ma nwoke ma nwaanyị oge ruo na ụmụ Igbo mgbe anyị ebido tie ofe anyị na-abịa.
Just a moment.
Ebido tie ofe anyị na-abịa ụmụ nwoke oge ruo na mgburu ya echi ofe ụnụ na-abịa onye ọ na-binye echinye aja n'Igbo onye ọ na-binye echinye aja n'Igbo sụwa n'ọfọ ụtụtụ na ehihie n'abalị sụọ na ụfọdụ isi ndị a niile oge erugo mgbe anyị gbara nkịtị elu na anyị ekwesịghị ịgba nkịtị kịta nke a na-emezi anyị n'anya ibe a na-aka ahụ okwu ibe a na-aka ahụ ibe nwere isi ibe oge nkele na-ekwu money ego mana ego niile ndị Biafra na-edonate oge nkele anọkọtabeghị one day kwuo na ego n'ọnwụ ma ndị na-akwụ ụgwọ o nwere ndị na-etinye ego na akaụntụ ahụ anaghị ekpe afafa oge nkele anọkọtabeghị kwuo si na ego n'ọnwụ o mee akaụntụ bọsọ ọbata obi kpọrọ ya bịa mee akaụntụ oge nkele gba ọsọ o mee akaụntụ were asị na-ehegharị na-eje onwere mgbe Biafra yọrọ oge nkele ya wetere na ego onwere ibe niile ọba oge nkele buli Biafra akwụchara ya Biafra na-eme fundraising steady na-eme fundraising mbọsị ụka mee fundraising on Saturday Biafrans na-eweta ego our military oh my God ibe niile ka mma akọwado agwana m na ife unu ya eme onye ọbụla binye tiwo mfọ n'isi oge nkele tiwo mfọ n'isi vam tiwo mfọ n'isi Sani Akparawa onye ọbụla oge erugo mgbe anyị emie kịta anyị nwawu ndị ya agwazi ndị agitation ndị ọbụla sị na ha na-emere anyị agitation kịta anyị enye bụ ọnọdụ ha ya nọ oge nkele wee ndị anyị si na Igwe bụ ike ndị be anyị si na Igwe bụ ike anyị nwawu Igwe anyị nwawu ike onwere ife vam ya emenwu without Igwe onwere ife Sani Akparawa ya emenwu without Igwe onwere ife oge nkele ya emenwu without Igwe ụmụnne m anyị kwesịrị ibidi anyị ndị afi nke ha nene ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ ala nwaanyị ala na-azụ nwa ndị nne a na-egbuchasị ụmụ ha binye n'ụkwụ ụtụtụ jee n'aka n'anị jee n'alụ ụnụ n'anị jee n'afọ ụnụ n'ala alụ ụnụ ji wee zụ nwa nke a na-egbu afọ ụnụ ji wee gbuo afọ ime nwa a na-egburu ụnụ wee na-esoro ndị ọfọ nwaanyị na-elekarịsịa oge eruone mgbe anyị ebinye wee na voice message ma ndị movie train shia na ya and onye ọ na-eme ife mkwuru oge elugo ndewo.
Okay, now let's continue. So, am I the one that said this one? Am I the one that told her to say this? Did I force anybody? The answer is no. All she said here about Sani Akparawa and all these names that she mentioned, compare it to what she's saying now about famous Diana and something like COS, of course, go 247, even me and everybody, people who don't even have anything against her. She is the one that made herself too vulnerable for anybody to, because she wants to trend, she wants to be the voice, and because of her own level of reasoning, she actually believed that saying all this nonsense will make her go viral, will make people pay attention to her. But what she don't know is that what you say today, okay, determine what you say tomorrow. As long as you have said all those things, you don't have any right anymore to say something nice about Ogenkere. Even if you want to say something nice about them, you don't have right to criticize using the same way of attacking people. Here, you made it known that, according to her own research, that Sana Barawa and all these names are working with the Nigerian government, according to her and her research. Now, she's not telling you that COS and the USB are now working with Nigeria. And she wants to believe, when you believe her when she said something against Ogenkere. Now she still wants to believe her when she's saying the same thing against CS. Then the question that you should ask yourself is, who is she? Then let us continue. If you can answer these ones,
Why can't
you understand?
judge you? Whether your own opinion. You put up on social media for what? What are you trying to do? Can you even try to create? What is the nonsense? Also, then we go this kind of commotion. Commotion of what? Which problem? There is no time with this kind of problem.
Let's continue.
Now it's over to BSC. No, in a decree of Biafra, Ozibo, and install of Biafra, and they dissolve cabinet. It's not a secret. Open.
Now, did you hear this part? When she was talking to me, when she called me, trying to deceive her father, not to me, she was actually reversing this thing. That the Kaiku and Kebezu, no, go back to Beku, that thing. Man, and again, just see the energy, the way she put it out here.
Come out alone. And the one that is now, Biafra will judge that person. Because when I did me for nature, and Biafra, they are behind, and Biafra, they are Bakoya, was say. Biafra calculating it. Biafra now for what is going on. Omolonye won't believe it. Omolonye police. Omolonye Yilueli. Call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade. Oh, more than 1 week. I need a kaji. How many thousands of Biafra in Biafran land? Now with the joy. This man of Putahia Korobish. As a movie enquete. Most stop what I can never stop when those about talk. Talk what I talk with you talk as a baton inside the Biafran government. The bank and Zoom. Or I just stop what is in it. You know why my joy? My joy is the Biafra is very intact. And you know my joy, Biafran angel. Nobody can stop them. Nobody. Nobody. No matter confusion. As no fundraising on Saturday. Respect that order. And then inside the cabinet, when they put that order, why can't you judge you? Whether your own opinion? You put up on social media for what? What are you trying to do? Can you even try to create? What is the nonsense? Also, then we go this kind of commotion. Commotion of what? Which problem? There is no time with this kind of problem. Now it's over to BSC. No, in a decree of Biafra, Ozibo, and install of Biafra, and they dissolve cabinet. It's not a secret. Open a public. Immediately they dissolve Biafra. Immediately, and install of Biafra, they dissolve the whole cabinet.
Just a moment.
Immediately, our homeland. See the kind of joy and Dubai all over the world.
Go back a bit.
I trust my people.
Let's continue from here. You trust your people, continue. I trust my people. Then I see you.
See the kind of joy we ruled by na Finland. See the kind of happiness in na village, in na homeland. See the kind of joy in Dubai all over the world. This man, we put a ban on us, stop. Stop what? And I may analyze. Can we analyze and can do the OS? And they may analyze when you put on a okay?
Listen very, very well here. I think this is the part that another bullshit that can analyze in the analyze in the US. Can analyze everybody portal here. This woman will even, she said that she will fight everybody, that she will even fight herself. You got me here.
I don't have been kettle yet.
And
can be an idea. I got one Kajicha Finland, Nata, or less than one Finland. But I haven't them to Nata. Oh my God. I can never give chance to anybody. No, so I wouldn't the most, I wouldn't know. Even when I know myself, I will fight myself.
You know, yeah? That she will fight since the Akashana Finland battle. Remember, we started by playing the part where she said that all this while that she have not started doing while she's in the struggle, that it is not now. That now Guru Gafun get all of that. In get all of that on a mangosi go the PM not here. In get all of that all the goes after I got Finland pota. It's a or once they get that now, she's not telling you that even if you bring her father, her mother, that she will fight. That she will fight anything, including herself. That is the part that caught my attention. You will fight everybody, including yourself. Only madman will say that. Only mad people will say that. You will fight everybody, including even if you is your mother. That I will fight myself. When I fight, let's go back. That she will fight herself. Oh, there I know why is such a why is such a piano? Oh, why? Let us take her words one by one. This is my first time of going deep on how. This is my first time, and like I said. What we normally play here is just cut and join, little, but this is our program. This program is 3 hours, 48 minutes, 45 seconds. We have already played 40 minutes and 38. So imagine how many days it may take us to pick all the points. But let's hear her again.
What was the IPOB? We are no longer IPOB. We are no longer therefore in exile.
In our new time, on our talk, it's easy the Amma. When did I get all that in my neighbor? Organize on a good day, you watch that non to give any other leave. Next thing you got to do, I got fighting herself.
We are now a nation. We have restored Biafra. I declare.
Okay, my hero, this part. Okay? This she will say for you to know the kind of spirit that this woman is operating with. She will say something that will call your attention. You will be awakened. Okay. What next? Or to say, you have a bunny.
This man, I want to be free. You will wait for this to not put back home. And we met Biafrans in college. What Biafrans, this is the time I was with each and why be strong more than before. Make Biafra now know that we are in a nation. Or if you try to go here. Or if you take Taja, you complain even what is in order. You go away another. What is going on? How did you know question to this man? Oh no, the money question is judge to put there back. I said must stop. Stop what? I can never stop. Nanya can work it. Oh, ismu we had ismu neri. I think we had. Ismu neri. Anybody want to name something, man, that I don't think that no paper, don't be by the months with more time. And I'm going to tell you, hey, make it I ain't do DOS, so do DOS, piano will look, I don't care. If you would talk, but I said, be a frank government. That is the end. Or if there's a stop with I name, that is the end. Nobody. We have go far. Now we Biafra we decide. Now we Biafra we do it. I trust my people. I trust my people.
Somebody says,
see the kind of joy we ruled by na Finland. See the kind of happiness in our village, in our homeland. See the kind of joy in Dubai, in all over the world. This man will be paid on stop what? And I may analyze. Can we analyze and can do and they analyze when you go to one try. Okay? I don't have to get up yet. And can be an idea. I got one Kajita Finland, or less than more than Finland. My husband then Donata, oh my God, I can never give chance to anybody. Not even when I know oneself, I will fight myself. I don't get it.
Fundraising. Don't fight our fundraising. Don't fight the source of the fund.
This part that I will find myself. That part that I so much love that part. I will fight myself. Who does that? I will fight myself.
I don't care. If you would talk, but I said be a frank government. That is the end. Or if there's a stop with I name, that is the end. Nobody. We have go far. Now we Biafra we decide. Now we Biafra we do it. I trust my people. I trust my people.
Is she not fighting herself now? Is she not fighting herself? Please like the video. Let us get the like button to 100. Okay, while we are still streaming live.
See the kind of joy we ruled by na Finland. See the kind of happiness in our village, in our homeland. See the kind of joy in Dubai, in all over the world. This man will put a ban on stop what? And I may analyze. Can we analyze and can do the OS? And they may analyze when you put on a pitra here. Okay? I don't have been kept up yet. And can be an idea. I got one Kajita Finland, or less than more than Finland. But I husband then Donata, oh my God, I can never give chance to anybody. No, so I wouldn't name. Even when I know oneself, I will fight myself. Kind of against my homeland. See the kind of joy in Dubai, all over the world. This man, I don't care. If you would talk, but I said be a frank government. That is the end. Or if there's a stop with I name, that is the end. Nobody. We have go far. Now we Biafra we decide. Now we Biafra we do it. I trust my people. I trust my people. See the kind of joy we ruled by na Finland. See the kind of happiness in our village, in our homeland. See the kind of joy in Dubai, in all over the world. This man will put a ban on stop what? And I may analyze. Can we analyze and can do the OS? And they may analyze when you put on a pitra here. Okay? I don't have been kept up yet. And can be an idea. I got one Kajita Finland, or less than more than Finland. But I husband then Donata, oh my God, I can never give chance to anybody. No, so I wouldn't name. Even when I know oneself, I will fight myself.
True.
Kind of against it.
So that is the part. Okay? Let us go to another part.
a pillar. You don't support the Stop Biafrans anymore. Tell them to donate.
Armstrong said that is also pointing the Islamic finger. Oh my goodness, my brother. Thank God you noticed it. I thought the makers are that.
Grand meeting, all this big company, borrow money from them. Jamie, all these heavy people will let go. All these people will plan. All these engineers will let go. Every time he be able to go, he be able to cannot be all the time. Do you know how they sacrifice to pay? Even if you are 5%, 5 come up with it. On 1 you know how they suffer to get to bring that money. Every time the next year cannot be here. Let me tell you something. There is the people who check come. Me won't have donate. So when did I donate? Jaba happen. Ego ba jizo mwakafa. New mwakafa ni. Open that hand wote. Every time the baby check an obi. Who force you? Who? Are you the only person? Other countries are independent. Oh no, what don't happen on social media check an obi all the time. If you do something for your people, don't complain. Do it with your happiness, with your joy. But every time means that you don't do it with your heart. I don't call this man up. I don't want to talk. I just come full of good even this man. Okay, Nkele, go and search your conscience. The only thing that I will
have venue where we
before you have to tell me if I name conscience, that's your conscience. Oh, no one never knew ba. But maybe no does you on a habia on a bias on a bass. I'm not need like this. I'd be surprised if that is shock. I'm not connected the dot. I'm not connected of more. I'm not on that need like this. I'm not on need deadly like this. It's your own deadly is too small. Or go age your phone. Here, I come no go age your phone. I've been very disappointed. Again. I've been very disappointed. Man, I can work it. Ejiri gogu, jidere go for. Ejiri gogu, jidere go for. Ni fa imbere me here. I like a quarantine say we put on wiki. I like one key say we put on wiki. But then again, I can't going to keep a name and arise. Enu chinitewe fa ana chinitewe enu na megidende sinoga adila oya gu no ku otunu yesima understand. We Biafrans, we are not stupid. We are not stupid. Emu wa people na struggle amu wa ha nwoka ha nwa. The job be there mama. You wait to know. Man will be add another you way. Oh no, so and when you can give anybody chance to struggle for this moment. Also, I will not COS. Oh man, I can't mama deba. Munana Bemesia Ike. I don't give a damn. More than 1 or 2 much that this is struggle. We have suffered a lot. Yesterday, or day before yesterday, the fight against the bomb boom to buy. This man on here for ya.
This is for those who think
contribution now more than before.
Excuse me. This is for those who think that she's doing based on the suspension. She told you at that time that she don't care about it. Also quite both serious. Do you understand it? That she's ready to fight. That is her statement. My candidate, CS, cabinet made a mistake by giving her suspension. You just heard it from her. That no, no CS. Yeah, but again, I appear, Mama say, see finish. That is what they call see finish. Nene. Now let's go. Let me just allow it to continue before.
The redeclaration of our country. This is now, we are on phase 2. We are now on diplomatic war or diplomatic fight, which require a gym money. What we're supposed to be talking about is how to build bridges, not how to destroy. How to get more allies.
Okay.
How to...
Now, Juzeno, not how to destroy. We're fundraising this Saturday. Or now that they destroy. They destroy that now I see cabinet. We can make COA. On a cabinet decided that the was a fundraising. Now there is problem. No, now you will fundraising this Saturday until they put things in place. Everybody can I have to go government in exile. The name will be Obato Bie Woputandu ye take over the channel no Nayano. Before or say nay dissolve the cabinet. Before they dissolve the cabinet, and we're going to do yano, not yano na key post to gas, na key post. Nothing we found the distance. Can you say everything will talk was leading on young with the problem? What is the problem? Ana eme because Susan Namia. This man you will by a COS warning. But even decided inside. COS, where there's a letter, COS, the only thing COS makes no sign as COS. I know about Toby when you are signing. Why this manager will put in your warning? Unana had what is going on. Unana say stop. Now, then them when they get up, in the mama and ask stop. And they will pay them time.
Okay, if you have something to say, the hour is now. You can call in if you want to contribute anything because we are at end of the broadcast. Like I said, I'm not going to play everything. We'll be taking it bit by bit. Okay, so this is where we can start receiving anybody that want to contribute. The hour is now. If I do not receive any call after from a few minutes from now, then we will end it for now. To come back again.
I don't care. The only thing on my way is so quick. That I will tell them any truth. I told me my even those on there. I don't even care. Another man, even some people who need to hear. Stop. Oh, that case is good. If I want to now the canon Lenya, it talk about. Now, when you over to make it a condition on one you because Nigerian government they want it to come out. Nigerian government they want it to come out, but about to be. Rama even a man, Rama de honor. Rama do cause is not. They know nothing. You want to know you? Onyago's going to me where? Do you know this man who give away? That's what I mean. Yabia who never will Jeputebe warning. Or won't get the capable to no, even on a stop. Stop, Uganda. Nanya Biafran. Omundi bois, okay, run by a sister Dutch hotel, one and a struggler. Now, I will get you go nation. I had the message agitate. I was in an installation. We have restored Biafra. I have signed the gear, you certificate. Can you the rubbish differ? I am questioning go. We are going to make the history by ourselves. Get out. There's another people interested. When I pray, I'm nonsense. power. Super power, even a good hand in a go. Let me tell you something, Mr. Man. If you win this rubbish in a matter of how that it is a challenge.
Okay.
I can never, ever have to put out with this nonsense. Ono ya join this man. This is not believe you warning on a meeting. Before I walked that memo. Join this man. On one you question you on answer because on one you question you even believe you not warning on the
Hello? Yeah, my brother. Good evening from here.
Good evening to you.
I hope I'm audible.
Very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think like this woman, I got was near if you ask me, in my own opinion, as no you understand?
Yeah.
I am Prime Minister. Well, I need a good appetite. So honestly, this woman, she's not just. She's not only confused, but I think she's among those masquerading angels that have come, to spy our liberty, so that this cause we are championing will not be fulfilled.
Sorry, your voice is. I can't hear you. I can't hear you anymore. So what happened yesterday has started again. The same has started again. So let us just restart the phone. Okay, let me restart the phone again. It was exactly the same thing that happened yesterday. Let me restart it again. Just a moment.
Without a discussion here, join here, so on a discussion this thing, before I walk there, memo. Join this man. Can he for John here. Oh, see, he there nonsense again. Is he not your best friend? Grandma, you're gonna can go give you. No, cho. Can't go see you can email it here. Oh, that's the name of fundraising on Saturday. What my name from Memo. Abasakre, your best friend. Go on a cook our angel. Oh my God. Igrigogo.
I will do that. I will do that.
I'm gonna have to go on. Onye na laptop we. Manana ma agwa gị sị gị idili ya is stop all this thing in me. Because in feel that na Biafrans ya de nwute live and them who was buto nyoku ase Biafrans are going to be happy. Our leader mazi obato bi ekuriye. Na many will go down. Many will go out. Okuriye ekwu. Many will go out. Okuriye ekwu. Ngwana ekede ganya. Ngumwa. Kaina negayent.
In that lane to destroy our angel,
Ngwanen.
You are enemy of the state of Biafra. You are enemy of the Biafra people. During the time when our leader, Prime Minister, was here with us.
COS. COS, I'm sorry to talk. Yeah. All our COS were woman. When we keep your bone, this woman till and this is strong. I demand support to anybody.
Listen, listen. I want to take it back a bit so you hear this part.
Many will go out. Many will go out. When they get a Ganya. Ngumwa. Kaina negayent.
In that lane to destroy our angel, you are enemy of the state of Biafra. You are enemy of the Biafra people. During the time when our leader, Prime Minister, was here with us.
COS. COS, I'm sorry to talk. Yeah. All our COS were woman. When we keep your bone, this woman till and this is strong. I demand support to anybody. But if you want to with the right time. All I see, the right person. He did the house until Robert Tobia Bata, OCOS. OCOS. Oh no, not the whole world, Yama. Before, Obatobia, my name will get some okay. Waja. My name, why COS, only reason.
Did you hear the part, right? You hear this part? Let's continue.
Only reason.
Okay, let's the song call.
I chop it no COS. When you take over, the store, no one you me everything. This man I don't happy. Every day, kata. Every day, problem. I'm not knowing when doing do. It's a nonsense on the zoo. Now all these useless saboteurs. Man, to this point, I don't know. I don't understand. Oh, we mire. There more word than them banandek. I'm fighting not today. Phone Mulingi didn't so give me. And they send him the program. Shows you that now Biafrans are happy if this man mel. Nobody is happy with him. Nobody. After them, Ekowazi if any menu. Biafrans half a years no one if any menu. I know if any menu. Obatobia's cabinet is very intact. Come on, no one to feel that now because all finance and don't control media. Yeah, he control media. That he can do anything. But a man that's not like that. Only chukus know ya weze. Chukune men or man name. Yet because of me okay. Case of why? Because of no why or the impossible. Your finances, stay your finance. That they will fundraising Saturday will reason. And then inside that place, man, make the decision. Why he didn't talk about Tazen and social media? And chief of staff warning. Kikini jidime. But let's say about Korobish. Kai Toto no say Biafra against our chief of staff. Why for this man name here? On us make us no. Oh no, the kind of hassle like this or the man. Even when the level who Toto no Biafra against the chief of staff is that can never work. It can never work. Not a bad and them and they get no. Oh no, we have a call to me and back.
No. My brother, there were one mother.
Yeah. My voice on up off ma.
Very, very clear.
Okay. Ekelekwanga Mazika report. Ekelekwanga. And also now about touching a program. You know,
yeah.
Now for us, why na France na art. So one no more Biafra, una no go near now. Una no go Yabanaka, the Bible said that na Yabanaka ne. All by this time, we all no more Biafra, we no when na mabe that na why we church na France, we cook. I want to know about the Arab or they make a very big mistake. This woman was a pure agent that are on a mission to destroy our movement.
Yeah.
Pure agent that are on a mission to destroy this movement. And those template and template here with that now. What we destroy here. The briggy and the briggy will destroy one day window jaw. They job your jaw way, but on a struggle. No token. And this one, this when I for there. Woman was included with the evil plan of Hogan Korean and do to her to destroy our battle here. But she was pretending like as no matter. We need to hear about to Biafra without knowing that no way snake. Because here the German snake will go. The snake will an object name every time I play for no hide and seek. And always hide and seek to strike at any given time. A snake can be human will be when I but no way. Or a poisonous snake. Now poisoning the mind of people against this government. I watch maybe this woman which is the program or go 247 yesterday or the day before yesterday. Go 247 was like kind of telling Biafrans that here was agent to Yahoo. That the man can't do no way and then gentle Yahoo. No somebody pose the mind there. We push here, we put on internet now we are going to sweat. But now the guys could be learning a lesson here by now. You have to go. That an advice to Umobia France. When you make sure you which is a very wonderful advice he was given. And 247 who are our brother, none of this struggle. Since you were married or joined this struggle, he has been stable, he has been consistent, or change the same way over 12 years change, but the same way Mazan can change. This guy is steadfast. He have never turned against the government, he have never turned against this Biafra movement. All at their right stand. And this woman, if you want to go and fight, is go 247 now. Go 247 was even the one that brought her inside this movement. We could see there, YouTube, where we get Biafrans, the way be Dore channel here. Never is that one, who can need for you for the no do me. Look at the way I go 247 also by blackmailing him, by lying against him, and saying all manners of lie against this innocent man. In the name of God, we turn out the face of Biafrans against this man. Open tell God will not job. Go to first and Rosa Gona Atuari. Whereas the woman no way I would do no job, not in our midst. But they had to win a collection now. That woman has been expelled out of the movement. The woman was a spy. The Nigerian eye inside Biafran government. This is a woman PM Samane suspension 2 times. Where boy Asabo boy Sabo in the midst of the cabinet in some of any other person Sabo or that woman or Sabo. She's up to something.
Not up to something.
Today now, that woman now have proven himself that no all an enemy to this Biafra movement. Yeah. Now, only him to now. This woman now they claim that no for Robert Tobia. He's claiming that he love Robert Tobia. Then he only claim one of Robert Tobia. Came no you when he hate to see the COS. Came no you hate to see the surrogate of Robert Tobia. When Robert Tobia man have taunt. No Chianya. Then all of Robert Tobia will fight against US. For her fighting against US means that she hate Robert Tobia. One this is one plus one not two go. Two move France. Only over can get one by all this nonsense for Nako. Gemana that Donya Hefgo. Gemana Brenonia and Uziano. Atuane. Always any intent not believe for Missouri. You want to make it now, on a Basilica, Chone, no Buria. And don't you target to COS. When you target to COS to bring her down, or COS can marry her. Go to 47 can marry her. And the Biafras now, Balagun came with the truth. Only one I got caught on one, Ketan and Ketching, and maybe Biafras are fall back to her. Because I'm going to go nowhere, an evil woman. That's the little thing I can contribute on this program. And when we for Nabalia, I'm still going to come and talk more about her. The woman is Jide Kiti, Chukunabagu, Chukunabagu, France. God will continue to bless USB government. Ahead, we are moving. And nothing is going to stop us. Only one government came with it. And that one government, and that government, that is the only hope I'm with it. To lay hand in our resources and develop our place. Oh, when I think here, I'm going to get another kind. Oh, I know Chile. I'm going to get no Chile. Oh, no, last night I got it. Oh, no, last night I got one. I'm kind of a good I'm walking along Buga so they won't become our watching. Government I got what here. Or two more when was and I remember also we're about to our promised land.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jesus. God bless you. I really appreciate your call. So, we have come to an end of this broadcast. I'm sorry that we need to end it this way, but bear it in mind that we will keep on coming and going deeper on her, broadcast. Why? Because I want you all to understand the kind of person that she is. Not for her to change. I said it before, and I'm saying it again. This is for you, watching and listening, to understand the person behind the voice that you are hearing. Whoa, all this nonsense, we need to digest it properly so that you will understand who she is and what she's in for. She made it clear on this broadcast that all this while, she is not yet doing it. In fact, she was playing. That it is now that she will tell you or do that thing which made her to join the movement. And after saying that, here we are. You have seen all she have done after PM, is not here and all that. So it's not, that one is not hidden. Then she also said that she will fight anybody, including fighting herself. So that is the end of the broadcast. We all know what that means. God bless you, my people, and see you again. Priscilla and said, Pius, it was it is her old program. Yeah, it's not the new one, it's an old program. And Chioma said, Kai, my brother, all Biafras love, please continue with your good work. We bless. Okay, God will bless you so that God will bless you. And then Kiru said she is a pretentious person, highly pretentious. But yeah, all my anyway. Thank you, like I said. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.